Welcome to CTI. Today we're showcasing our semi-automatic P115EV machine, specially designed for packing peanut powder. This machine offers a packing range of 0.1 to 10 kilograms and a speed of 3 to 6 bags per minute. Perfect for efficient and high-quality packing. Equipped with a monitor screen and PLC control, the P115EV ensures precision and ease of use. Its advanced features include a cleaning air channel that helps maintain hygiene and efficiency throughout your operations. The best part, the P115EV is designed for easy assembly and disassembly, making it incredibly simple to clean after use. No hassle, just smooth and effective packing every time. With the P115EV, your packing process will be faster, cleaner, accurate, and more reliable.